A blown power supply in your PS5 can prevent it from turning on. I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's take the case off. Let's get some T9 screws out of the way using our Fastech Pro Auto Kit. Then flip it over. A couple of T9 bolts on this side. Now we got to remove some cables. Let's get this Torx T9 bolt out, and now we should be able to get this part of the assembly out just like so. And now we can simply pull out the defective power supply. If you need one of these, check us out at fasttechstore.com. All parts from us come with a lifetime warranty and free worldwide shipping. Now let's install a replacement power supply, but we need to remove this antenna first and transfer it over. Now let's reassemble this PS5 and test it out. The PS5 beeps, the light comes on, and it's working as it should. If you need the power supply used, check us out at fasttechstore.com, or if you need repair service.